How to change your Quora space cover photo. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your Quora space cover photo easy and fast. So first thing, go to Quora and now go to your space and go down, click on your space right here and now click on the settings option. And as you can see, now this is my space settings. Go down and you will find cover photo right here. Click on the cover photo and choose where you want to insert image from, phone or camera. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.